Hello students, this is Puneet Agrawal, your computer teacher. How are you all? I just wish and hope you are all fit and fine. Today you have a video based on input, output and storage devices. Now first of all, as you see, input, process, output cycle, uh, working cycle of a computer. I discuss about working cycle of a computer. A computer is an electronic device that accepts data and instructions given by the user, processing them accordingly and give meaningful results. Computer system performs basic three functions: input, process and information or as well as output. Now I discuss about parts of a computer. As you know, basic parts of a computer: monitor, CPU, speakers, keyboard, mouse, printer. These are the parts of a computer. These devices are connected with each other through wires. A computer performs various tasks with the help of these devices. Now I discuss about input devices. Keyboard. A keyboard is used to input data and instructions into the computer. A standard keyboard has 104 keys, which can be divided into 4 groups: typing keys, function keys, navigation keys and control keys. Mouse. A mouse is a handheld pointing device with 2 buttons on its top. It is used to control the movements of the pointer, to select an object and open files, folders. A mouse is also used to draw pictures. Microphone. A microphone is an input device which is used to record voice, music and sound into the computer system. Scanner. It is a device that reads the text or pictures printed on a paper and translates the information into a form that a computer understands. Web camera. A web camera is a device connected to the computer for capturing still images and live videos. It is primarily used to chat live with friends and relatives using the internet. Now I discuss about output devices. Monitor. The most common output device is the monitor. It looks like a television. Speakers. Speakers are the output devices that are used to listen to music and sound effects from the computer. And I discuss about printer. It is an important part of the computer system. It prints the output onto the paper. The printed copy is called the hard copy. Now we can see computer memory, or in other words we can say types of computer memory. Computer memory is based on primary memory and secondary memory. The two types of computer memory are there: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory has its two types: RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read only memory. Further we can see about RAM, ROM and CD, DVD, pen drive. CD compact disc, DVD digital versatile disc, pen drive is also known as by the other name flash drive. Now we can see about ROM. It stores the startup instructions that prepare a computer for use. The instructions stored in the ROM cannot be changed but can only be read. Hard disk. It is the main storage component in the computer. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It can hold a large amount of data. Hard disk can store up to 16 TB of data. CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is an optical storage device. A CD is a thin, shiny, circular disc that can store up to 700 MB of data and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. DVD. The full form of DVD is Digital Versatile Disc or Digital Video Disc. It is an optical storage device that is used for data storage and recording movies with high video and sound quality. RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It stores the information temporarily, works like a blackboard that can be constantly overwritten with new data. The information stored in the memory is lost when you turn off the computer or the power goes off. Pen drive. Pen drive is also known as pen drive or by the other name of flash drive. It is most popular data backup device. It is a plug and play device and can be connected to the universal serial bus. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can call me, solve your assignments. Stay inside, stay safe. Thank you.